Organ of our body, human heart, size once closed, the fist present in between two lungs in the thoracic cavity, and human heart is four chambered. Upper two chambers are called as auricles. Look here. Upper two chambers are called as auricles. Lower two chambers are called as ventricles. In between auricle and ventricle, there is an interauricular septum and interventricular septum. That means human heart is, how many chambers are present inside the human heart? Four chambers. It is covered by, human heart is covered by a outermost protective coverings that is called as pericardium, and two membranes of pericardium includes or consists pericardial fluid. What is the role of pericardial fluid? It absorbs mechanical shocks. When there is a punch on our chest, then what happens? That shocks are not directly conveyed to the heart. If that occurs, then heart or cardiac arrest takes place. Heart gets stopped. Therefore, for protective provision, there is a presence of outermost covering that is called as pericardium and pericardial fluid. It gives protection to the heart from the mechanical shocks. Also, heart is protected inside the thoracic cavity. In between the lungs, there is a cavity that is called as mediastinum cavity, in which heart is located. Human heart is the most important organ of our body. Why? Because it supplies pure blood to the body and collect impure blood from the body. And it supplies impure blood to the lungs for purification or oxygenation. Oxygen get mixed in the lungs, and that oxygenated blood again carried to the heart with the help of pulmonary, pure blood from the lungs, carried to the heart with the help of pulmonary veins. On the heart or wall of the heart, called as walls of the heart, provided with coronary arteries. Why? For supply of pure blood to the wall of the heart. Most active and most working and efficient muscles of this heart requires continuous oxygen, and that continuous oxygen is supplied with the help of these coronary arteries. If there is a blockages occurs in the coronary arteries, what happens? There is a cells of the heart do not work properly, and there is a cardiac arrest and heart attack occurs or takes place. Here, working mechanism of the human heart, that is systole and diastole. One systole and one diastole contributes one heartbeat. Tell me how many heartbeat occurs per minute? Yes, 72, near about 72, not exactly 72. These heartbeats of each and every person variable. That means heartbeats are variable from person to person. Stable persons having normal heart rate, working or exercise leads into the increase in the heart rate. Any disease or ill condition also increases the heart rate. Oxygen level of our body depends upon the supply of oxygenated blood from the heart to all the body parts. Each and every cell of our body requires oxygen, and that is supplied with the help of this heart pumping action of the heart, that is systole or contraction of the heart, releases the blood to our body. Is it clear to you? How many blood present in the human body? How much blood? Near about 5 to 6 liter according to our height and weight. The amount of blood in the body is near about 5 to 6 liters, and that blood circulated continuously. How much amount of blood is released in a single stroke by the heart outside? When there is a single contraction, how much blood is released by this aorta, large blood vessel? Do you know? That is called as cardiac output. That means the amount of blood released by the heart single stroke, that is called as cardiac output. Strong heart releases sufficient amount of blood in a single stroke, but weak hearted fellow, maximum amount of heart rate or heartbeats are required to provide sufficient amount of blood to the body. Therefore, heart rate get increased in the diseased condition. But strong hearted fellow, wrestlers, runners, Olympic players having strong heart, due to exercise, and the sufficient amount of blood is released by the heart in a yes minimum heart rate, heart strokes near about 60. How many times heartbeat per minute? 72 average. But some persons which are very stronger person having near about 60 heartbeats per minute. Here human heart supplied with the coronary arteries, and that coronary artery supplies pure blood to the yes heart wall. Is it clear to you? Human heart consists four chambers. Upper two chambers are called as auricles, lower two chambers are called as ventricles. Auricles are receiving chamber, ventricles are propelling chamber. Why? Auricles receives blood from the body. Right auricle and left auricle. Tell me which is the right side of our heart. Right hand of our body is the right side of our heart, and left hand of our body is the left side of our heart. Here right auricle receives which type of blood? Do you know? Right auricle receives impure blood from the head and abdominal part with the help of two vena cavas, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. And left auricle receives pure blood from the lungs, that is four pulmonary veins carries pure blood from the lungs to the left auricle. That pure blood from the left auricle enters into the left ventricle, and impure blood from the right auricle enters into the right ventricle. And after contraction of the heart, this pure blood supplied to the body, and impure blood goes to the lungs for purification or oxygenation. This is somewhat very simple structure and function of the human heart. ठीक है.